I'm Bryn McDaniel. I'm the chef here at the Lodge, and I'm going on my 3rd year. I started cooking. It's something that I grew up around. Always watched my grandmother and my dad cook and grill. Cooking brings people together. The food here at the Lodge is never the same. We do a farm-to-table style meal. Most of the produce that we're using, it comes from the garden. We do a variety of grilled meats outside, a variety of grilled vegetables. Our meals are elevated, but they're simple. They're comforting. Our table provides a great conversation around a really healthy local meal. It's a great time to sit down and get to know the people that are staying here with you. At the end of the day, I hope our guests can disconnect, appreciate the beauty around us, and enjoy a home-cooked meal.